So today, Keely lets me get my five minutes of fame in. So I'm going to talk today about hairpin lace. Hairpin lace is kind of cool. You can make some really cool shawls with it. But you start off, you have a little gadget like this. And what we do is we take the end, I'm just going to loosen one end. And you start with a slip knot. And you're going to make it kind of big. And we're going to go to there. And then we're going to close it up. And then what we want to do is we want to get this slip knot centered into the center of our loom here. So we'll just pull it till it, and I just eyeball it. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we don't use our tail. And we're just going to wrap this around. Then you're going to take a crochet hook. You're going to go in between these loops here. And what we're going to do for the first one, we're just going to do a chain one. And then you take your crochet hook and you go onto the back side. And then we're just going to turn it. And then you go in between your loops, grab it, and we're going to do a single crochet this time. So from now throughout, we're doing single crochets. So our needle goes through, turn, and in. And this works great with like ribbon yarns. It makes really pretty ones. But you can use any type of yarn that you want to. And we're just going to do this. Your pattern will tell you exactly how many loops that you need to do, but you just keep going. It kind of becomes mindless. And you just fill up your loom just like this. Open that up. So you just continue on. And then a little trick that I learned when I first started doing this is, we'll do one more. Whenever you get to the end and you're fixing to, you've got enough loops on here, you just clip it and pull it through to fasten it off. And then you have a needle with some waste yarn. Before you ever take this off of here, you want to take and work some waste yarn onto the side of here. And this helps hold your loops, so once you get ready to put it together, you don't have to chase them down and twist them and everything. So, and then you would do the other side. If you just pulled it out and let these go, then you're just going to have to find them, and it becomes a little bit more of a pain, whereas here you just have them all nice and ready to go. So to put it together, I've already done a couple little samples here. What you're going to do is you're going to lay them side by side. And we're actually not going to use any thread to put them together. And your pattern will tell you how many loops you want to pick up. Some just do like every loop. For this, I'm going to show you with 3. So we start with our 3 here. And then we're going to come over to the other one and we're going to pick up 3 loops. And these last 3, we're just going to pull through that first one. Then we're going to go, you're going to kind of zigzag. So then we're going to go back up to here. And we're going to pull through those 3. And you want to make sure you get all 3 of them. Then you're going to come back to the other side, grab 3, pull through there. Then we're going to go over here, grab our 3, and come back. And our 3. And then once you get to the top, I'll show you real quick how we're gonna finish that off. I think I'll probably have an odd number when we get up at the top. We'll see. Oh, there we go. So once you get to the top and you're going to finish off, we'll pull these other two through here. Then you're going to take, so we're on the top one, we finished with this one. So we're going to take our extra string from the other one and we're going to pull it through there. And that brings it together, and then you would work this part in. So this is what it looks like. And then at this point, you can actually take and cut these out. Well, now I got it stuck. There it is. And then that's what you're left with.
We'll put some patterns for hairpin lace projects on news.swagnick.com. That way you guys can find some cool things you can make with this.
Yeah, I hope y'all have fun doing it.
Bye.
Bye.